Newton's laws of physics, movement, momentum. All of them are unique in their own way. You got the first law, which basically lays the groundwork for how items and things move. You got the second law, which dictates drag and net force to it. Then you got the third law that predicts how everything is going to move and will move by force and the reaction of it. Now, most times when you search it up, you'll get the basic definition of it. You'll get the law of motion and every other law. And the first law's basics are: an item at rest will stay at rest until acted upon by an outside force. And until it is acted upon, it will remain at rest and will keep moving until it runs out of energy or force. Second law is net force. And it dictates as whenever an object moves, it has mass and then has drag. Has drag pulling it to the ground and drag pulling it forward and backwards. And then depending on the situation, if you're on a hill, it also has drag to pull it up. But most times it's only up or down. And for every time you have a reaction with it, which is going into the third law. With every action has an opposite every action has an opposite reaction, and will always react accordingly to its reactive properties and properties in general. And all these laws work together as one to basically make the three laws of Newton's force. And we have units called newtons, which is basically a thank you to him for making the three laws in the first place. He discovered them, I want to say, mid-18th century. Don't know the exact date. I'll put it in the description if I can. And he was a very renowned scientist. He had made a book called The Theory of something. I'm trying to remember it. Sorry, I couldn't get this out. But he made two books to be exact. He was never married. That's an interesting thing. And he died like a whole century after his. Which, once you think of it, that's usually the pretty long lifespan on its own. Keeps things nice and fresh and all that. But yeah, this is the three laws of Newton's three laws, all that. And hope you enjoyed. And bye for now.